Wouldn't even be dead if you weren't so friendly. I'm ready to crash, I'm out of my block right now, tell them niggas come in me. Depression had hit, I was begging for help, it was like nobody wanna hear me. I spot me a op, I'm ready to bounce, I'm thirsty, I'm up in a frenzy. Remember late night stealing, we ain't had no money, we was scraping up dollars from Wendy's. They thought it was funny when my brothers died, so kill him and don't show pity. I did too much for you niggas, reality, I shouldn't give you niggas a penny. He talking about a chance and he keep fucking up, I done gave this nigga too many. On the hack to be chased, thought Boba was gon' get away, but he smacked up and hand me. Had to look through the drive, pulled me up on the corner, bounce out with the semi. Go fill up some Glock, let's spin us a block, don't come back to them bitches empty. He popped 2